What is going on, guys? Today for our video we are going to do a little installation.
Dog all over.
Yep, with the dog all over Trevin. We're going to take his 2011 WRX and install a downpipe and an Invidia. It's an N1, right?
N1 dual.
Yeah, N1 dual exhaust.
By the way, I'm Trevin. I'm good buddies with Austin. Haze for Days. It's his YouTube channel. Definitely give it a follow.
There you go. Giving me the plug on my channel.
You know.
But there's the exhaust. We had it installed at one point. Then he was going to trade the car in, so then he took his exhaust off, so then it was all stock, so he could take everything off and transfer it to the next car, but then that didn't happen. So we're installing a Santee downpipe Catless and then the exhaust itself, so we will show you guys how to install it, and hopefully we don't screw anything up. It's not like we've done this like 4 or 5 times now.
Probably 5.
Like 5 times. We've installed this 5 times, so we're pros now. Alright, first of all, we're starting at the back because the car is still super hot, so we're not starting at the downpipe. But we're detaching the stock mufflers. Maybe. You'll get there. It's gonna be this tip instead of that tip. Battery's gonna die eventually. Alright, so I don't know how much you guys can see, but this is his amazing exhaust work right here. Hey babe, could you hand me my flashlight? My phone? Wow. Okay, right in my face. Alright, here we go. That's a lot better. Alright, so this is his premium exhaust work. That was just basically cut. This has been cut and welded multiple times. You got the cat.
Oh my god.
Oh, this is not high enough. Okay. And then you can see stock downpipe right there that we will deal with later. How's it going down there?
We're making progress.
That's good. I'm glad that you are moving forward in life.
Yeah. Come on.
You totally set me up the 15, not the 13.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you grab it?
You sent me up the 15 ratchet
Oh.
and the 13 normal wrench.
I'm sorry.
You're good.
Stupid mistake.
Oh, it's a 14 anyways that I need.
Okay, here.
Ow. There we go. Attaboy. Nice. Thanks much.
Yeah, man. Rock 'em. Okay, why is this hanger? Oh, I got it. Okay.
So, you're just going to detach these bolts from the downpipe. Right down here. Downpipe and the midpipe. Ooh, that is warm.
Is it still warm?
Just the nut itself, dude.
For real?
Yeah.
Careful, buddy. Take your time. You guys want to see something really ugly? Here's a resonator with a stock kit. Very ugly. Oh, I thought you had it on video.
I am videoing. I was just videoing me.
Oh, no, go for it. You got the more important part.
I just didn't know what you were doing.
Oh.
Were you saying O2, babe?
Huh?
Were you saying O2? O2 sensor. I see one. O2.
I said, I pinched myself.
You what?
I accidentally pinched myself with this clamp.
Oh, nice. Oh, wait. I didn't detach the O2 sensor. Hey, babe. Can you hand me, like, a rag or something that's out there?
A rag?
Yeah, because I'm going to undo the O2 sensor, but it's kind of warm.
Here. I got one in my car.
Oh, there you go.
Should I leave it?
So then that's your O2 sensor right there, and you just need to screw that out first before you drop the whole exhaust. Ready for, oh, hello Reg. You're gonna detach that right there, and then you can finish unbolting this nut from this flange here, and that will drop this pipe off of the downpipe. And then you guys can see all those bolts right up. Where's my finger at? Right there. Alright, those three right there. And then there will be one on the other side that I don't think I'll be able to pick up.
Piece of crap.
Yeah, I won't be able to pick up. And then there's two up top that you will just detach. Set the roof on fire.
You ready to push start? Oh, well, this is going to be ridiculous here.
Okay, so then I'll turn my flashlight back on. You got the two bolts right up top here. You got one there and one there. You're just going to take those off. They're both 15s. I don't know if that's the same for every. Oh wait, maybe they're not 15s.
I'm going to come from the other side.
Just kidding.
So I can see the thing.
They're 14s.
Excuse you?
Billy Rose.
That's her name.
I figured.
I
Are you using 14 now?
I'm not using anything. You want it?
Where'd that 14 go? Oh, it's right there. I found it. So much nicer knowing what we're doing. Oh, you're still recording.
Well, yeah, I'll just.
Alright, so then you're going to have two 14mm bolts on the top of the turbo. Right there and right there. You're going to loosen those, and then the downpipe itself will just wire off. It's going to be really hot, so I don't know how soon we're going to do this, but Trevin right now is... Oh, you're going to... Okay. Well, I can't talk when you're walking away with the camera, babe.
Whoa, who hit me up?
Trevi got the stock mufflers off.
You know.
Oh, this is the mid pipe. How's it going, buddy?
We're making progress, dude.
You dealing with the Y pipe?
Oh yeah, it's just like sitting on me. I'm just trying to get it on to like that.
There you go.
I'm getting it back on the hanger. I'm just trying to figure out which is the right
Gotcha.
spot on this thing.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna keep dealing with the downpipe then.
Sounds good.
It feels like when you've seen Trailer Park Boys, right?
Oh yeah.
When she's filming like this, I feel like that's what it is. It's just Trailer Park Boys. Just like a camera following us around. I've learned that I need to like get more angles of different things in my videos. I'm just gonna film like all the random stuff.
Here, I put music over these.
I forgot to mention, normally there would be a heat shield. I'll have to show you on my car. There'd be a heat shield over this that you have to move, and to move that you'd have to unbolt the intercooler, and we just decided whenever he did it the first time to just leave the intercooler undone, so it makes it a lot easier. Hey, we see a hand. There you go. And just like that, it's off. Watch your feet. Okay.
So.
If this gasket will come off. Ow.
Now, is it no good?
It's
Pretty burnt.
yeah, compared to the other one. They're still both about the same condition though. Oh, nice. Okay.
The only thing is,
They're screwed up. Oh.
whoa, dude, that's not right.
What?
Mid pipe.
What do you mean? Can you flip it over?
Oh. Alright, so then attaching the mid pipe to the downpipe, you have two 14mm bolts. That's just going to tighten down.
Alright, so then after you've got your mid pipe, then your mid pipe and your Y pipe. Ugh. You can't see anything without a flashlight under here, jeez. You're gonna have your tips right here. You'll install them, get them all bolted up and on their hangers, and then you are good to go. And then he will install his stage 2 with his access port, and this thing's gonna rip again. Alright, so now after you've done all of that, now your car needs to be run on stage 2, otherwise it's not gonna run right. So you need to make sure you have your access port before the downpipe, and Trevi here will walk you through what you're gonna be doing with that.
Alright guys, so you got the Cobb access port, the V3 for the 08 to 2014 WRX STI models. So very simple, very convenient tuners. Just plug them in, turns itself on with the battery and ignition on.
Oh, your sharp string's different than mine.
Okay, so now it's ready to... Currently it's stage 1, but so we already got a bunch of maps on here. We're going to go to Tune, change map. It reads the maps that it has. Then you're going to go to Reflash. And then you're going to go to stage 2, 91 octane, Montana. So I'd do 93, but we don't have that in here currently. So, and then it says this, you just continue through. And then it starts loading. Show the
Yeah, it
dash
should go
too.
pretty fast. Since
And you can tell the dash, the temperature sky high, and all the lights come on.
Yeah.
Just because.
It's just messing with the ECU.
It's telling your, please turn and leave the ignition in off position. Then you continue really fast. Turn the ignition on the on position so the access port can begin the procedure. Then it resets the ECU so that it's set for stage 2. And that's it. And then you turn your car off for 15 seconds. And it'll be uploaded.